Hey everybody, my name is Ms.Leshaey, and today I have
Mr.Ezra.
Yup. And today we're gonna be making a paper helicopter pinwheel from a template. The first step, you need to just color in your picture however you want. I colored it in different colors.
Whichever design you feel.
So the materials we need for today is paper helicopter pinwheel template. The link is in the description. And you need 2 glue sticks, one for you, one for your partner, scissors. Oh, don't hold them like that. Safety first. Crayons and a glue stick or some styrofoam to hold the pin in place. And the pins. That's it. Okay, so step 2, you're gonna cut out the square. Okay, after you cut your square out, it's supposed to look like this. And you're gonna have these little black lines at the corners of each side. Okay, and you wanna cut those. Don't cut them too much, just probably about an inch or 2 inches. Okay. Once you've made your 2-inch cuts into the paper, it should look like this. And you're gonna have little triangles. And you're gonna take one side of the triangle and fold it inside. And take your glue. And try to multitask. Here we go. Take your glue stick. And you glue a little bit where the dot is. And hold it. Go to the next side of the triangle. Put a little glue.
So once your 4 corners are all down into the middle, what you want to do is get a pin, thumbtack, and push it through the little hole. Now, be very careful though. Nice, just like that, perfect.
Okay, so when you push your pin inside, you need to have something to hold it. I used a glue stick, and I just pushed it in there so it's secure. And there you go. And a nice little pinwheel.